Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 27th of May. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, which is backtesting the weekly middle band. The weekly middle band at the moment, which is an important support level, and showing signs that it might be breaking down from it soon. In terms of the daily chart, no current divergence. We are seeing a fairly thorough test of the 50 DMA and daily middle band at the moment, and it is for another day we are below both of those. In terms of the flag, no current divergence on the hourly chart, but the flag is potentially forming a head and shoulders right shoulder here to basically lead the way down as and when this breaks down towards the obvious flag target at a retest of the February low at 60.1k. And it's a decent looking head and shoulders, which actually could break down at any time. All right, looking at Solana. Solana, we've got we're still obviously below the weekly middle band. We could be coming back in for another test of that, which would now be slightly under 90, although there's no strong reason at the moment to think that's going to happen. Are we forming a RSI 5 bicycle here on the hourly chart? No. On the daily chart, rather. No, we would need a retest of this low at 81.38 to be doing that. So we've got the flag here. It's an expanded flag, so it's already expanded once. It could expand again, but that's much less usual. And this is broken down with a target at a retest of this low here at 67.65. We will see how that goes. Are we forming any obvious pattern here right now? Honestly, I got to go with no. I'm not seeing anything particularly obvious here. This could potentially be a bearish triangle setting up a retest of this low here at 81.38. Not seeing anything else that looks obvious. In terms of Ethereum, again, we've been testing the weekly middle band as resistance for, well, a couple of months now, really. That is continuing to hold as resistance. On the daily chart, it is below 50 DMA at 2260 and the daily middle band at 2186. On the hourly chart, one thing to mention there, of course, is we do have an RSI 5 buy signal fixed on the daily. On the hourly chart, no current divergence. We are testing and breaking slightly below the rising support here, but we've not seen any kind of conviction break. And as you can see, sorry, not as obvious on the hourly chart, but just extending the trend line here. Give me a moment. All right, that's the break. So it is a fairly clear break. We haven't followed through to the downside yet, but as and when we do, I've got a target there at a retest of this low here at 1746.93. All of these, the very early February lows. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I shall catch you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.